What is going on, guys? Dann here back with another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what I got for the Is300. Now a couple videos back, or maybe one video back, I showed you guys that I got my drive shaft for the Is300, and you know, what's the point of having a drive shaft if you don't have a transmission? And I'm gonna show you guys the transmission that I got, because I'm super excited that I got it. That's just even one more step closer to what I really want to do with this car. I really want to do a manual swap. So let's take a look at what transmission I actually got. So guys, this is the transmission that I have. I have the W58 transmission from a Mark III Supra. It looks pretty good condition. I went through the gears when I first got it. Comes with the throwout bearing and the shift fork, but it has the wrong bell housing because the Mark III Supra does not have a JZ in it, so I need to get a JZ bell housing. Other than that, everything is chilling with this transmission. I'm super happy with it. The shifter is pretty good, in pretty good condition also, even though I will be switching this shifter out. So let me see if I can run through the gears without it moving. So that's first, second, third, fourth, fifth, reverse. There we go. A little hard, even kind of, I don't want it to really move too much, but yeah, everything's pretty good on this transmission. The car came out of course, was a Mark III Supra, and because it came out of a Mark III Supra, as I said, the bell housing is a lot different. I'm gonna try and get a bell housing from a manual Is300. That way I'll be able to bolt it up to my car, or to the motor that I have in my car now, and any other JZ that I will have in the future. Wink wink. So with that, it's pretty good. The only problem I do have with the transmission is during the shipping, it got a little messed up on the tail shaft, I believe. About right here. This should be perfectly round. As you can see, it's like a dent right here, which I could probably, you know, push back out. So it's not too big of an issue, but other than that, the transmission is pretty chillin'. Just that, with that one little dent that it had from shipping or whatnot, I'm not able to test fit my drive shaft in it. But other than that, the transmission is pretty good. Came out of a Mark III Supra with only 90,000 miles on it. The guy barely drove the car, so yeah, he's switching his car to an R54 and gladly sold me this W58 transmission for a pretty good price. So I'm pretty happy with how much I paid for it, condition of it, everything. It's all good. So that's just another step towards this manual swap for the Is300, which I cannot wait to start. And yeah, guys, so once I do finish this manual swap, I will leave, I'll make a video showcasing a list of parts and prices and how much I paid for everything. So if you decide to do this swap yourself, you'll know what to do, what to get, how much it all costs and all that. And yeah, if I sound a little tired, I look tired because I am tired. I just got off of work and I'm recording this video. This video is actually pretty late. Sorry about that, posting a late video, but you know, work and school life, stuff like that. But other than that, I just wanted to show you guys the transmission. I'm really excited. I cannot wait to get this swap done. I just need to get, you know, some more parts. I need my slave cylinder, master cylinder, the pedals, all that jazz. But yeah, as I get more and more parts, I have more and more things to do to the car. I will continue to film and showcase this for you guys, because I really do like making these videos for you guys to watch. I find it enjoyable to not only work on my car, but to share my experiences with everyone else who watches the videos. And I appreciate all the support that everybody has given me by liking my videos, subscribing, commenting. It's truly appreciated. And I thank you guys so much for that. And if you haven't noticed, this red box right here, this is actually my new sway bars by Ibach, which is I'm waiting to install, but I can't really install at the moment, simply because I got to fix something on my Is300 first, which is the lower control arm. I'm having a pretty I'm having a problem with the lower control arm because I don't know what the previous owner has done to the car, but looking at the lower control arm, the way it bolts up is not how it should be, so I have to try and figure that out. So I already have new lower control arms that I just can't bolt up the driver's side one because they kind of, I guess I'd say they messed up the car, but I don't know. I'd have to take a better look at the car or take it somewhere to have them look at it and see what can be done. But yeah, I have a bunch of things for the IS300. I just haven't put them on because work. I gotta fix things on the car first before I think about putting parts on it. You know, you should always make sure your car actually runs pretty good first before trying to modify your car, which is what I like to do. And yeah, I'm pretty excited about this transmission though. I couldn't believe when I actually got it. Shout out to my boy Stefan for coming to help me out pick it up. And yeah, just look at that, bro. Look at that transmission. Look at it sitting pretty over there. One day that will be in the car. That will be in my IS300 soon. And I cannot wait. I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Sorry I wasn't really too much to show you guys, and this video probably isn't really exciting to you. It's exciting to me because I got the transmission. Hopefully you're just as excited as I am to finally have this transmission in my possession, and it just brings me one step closer to putting it in the car. Yeah, so if you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out. Lets me know that you guys are liking the content that I'm posting, and you know, that's the main purpose I have a channel, is to showcase what I've done to my car to you guys so that you guys can enjoy it while watching it. Also like the video if you like what you've seen, and if you haven't already, you should definitely go follow me on my Instagram at Dann_Lex. I'll put it somewhere like right here so you guys can make it easier for you guys to look me up on Instagram. It'll also be in the description down below. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.